front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Devices settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Now click on Face Unlock located under Screen Lock. Enter your current login method and tap on Start. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now wait 5 seconds and tap on Next in Attention pop-up. Over here, you can name your face data however you wish to. Then tap on Done. Finally, if I switch off my screen and switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete it, you need to click on it, tap on Delete Face Data at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!